Here we're going to be talking about a heat loss, which is going through a glass window, and how it varies directly with the difference between the indoor and outdoor temperatures, and inversely with the thickness of the glass. There is this notes section in 3.1.5 talking about variation. Varying directly means that we're multiplying it by a constant of proportionality, which we're calling K. So for A here, when it says, don't forget constant of proportionality, that's just, there's some constant that stays the same in every equation for the situation, K, and we multiply that by whatever it's varying directly with. So heat loss is varying directly with the difference between indoor and outdoor temperature, which is D. And then inversely tells me we're dividing the two with the thickness of the glass, G. So this is kind of the equation here that represents heat loss based off of the information that we're given. For B here, it's giving us a bunch of information saying that, the window is 0.3 centimeters thick. So that's the thickness of the glass, G. Then the actual heat loss is 2.4. Then the difference in temperature is 50 degrees and 7 degrees. So that's 20 times K, because we're trying to determine the constant of proportionality. So to get K by itself, we're going to multiply 0.3 on both sides and then divide both sides by 20. And once we put that into a calculator there, it tells us our constant of proportionality is about 0.036. We're going to use that to help us with C here because they're replacing their window with a 1.5 centimeter thick one. So I'm changing the thickness of the glass to 1.5. I know my constant of proportionality is 0.036. I'm going to multiply that by the difference in the temperature, which 70 degrees inside, 30 degrees outside, which is 40. I throw that all into a calculator, and I get about 0.96 for the heat loss. So makes sense that this would happen here because we're increasing the thickness of the glass and the heat loss is going down, right? The first problem said that it was 2.4. Now we're at 0.96. So that's how we use constant of proportionality and then variation when we are dealing with these problems.